running into some glitching issues. It does not want to keep going. We're getting cutouts. But I'm going to try and do this for you guys. It's doing the hill. It's doing it. While cutting out on me. Bam! Check out the new Super Swampers. Well, they're not new. They're kind of gently used. Proline rims. Beadlocks. From a local guy to me here in Victoria, BC. Mike. I'll get his last name in a later video. But awesome tires. Thank you, Mike. This is that section of rock I was telling you guys about. And don't worry, guys, this is not a full-on run video. I'm just showing you guys what the new tires are like, and trying to drive one-handed, which I'm really having a hard time doing. I think we might have figured out a way. I'm holding my phone while driving with my pinky. And this truck is really having a hard time. Something's going wrong with it. Oh, there we go. Sorry, guys. It's really glitching. That is not me stopping. That is it glitching. Hey, guys. So today I'm doing a video in the bush, kind of where I do all my driving. So there's some of the rock there. On the other side of that rock, there, or over there, that's where that front little piece was. So that hill climb going up, and then that little edge part there. The truck would not do it with the old, with the Nito grapplers with the Method rims. They're not terrible. They're a great stock tire. Honestly, I'd put them on if I was doing like a short coursey, pre-runnery type truck, I would totally put them on there. They're not a bad tire and rim. Like for a stock, it's plastic, but for stock, they got a nice look and they're fine. The tires are actually, there's nothing wrong with them. But for doing what I do, I need much more of a meaty tire. So that's why we've got, it's even got some leaf on there. But that's why we're running the 1.9 Proline TSL Super Swampers. With the Proline, I think these are the Denali beadlocks, front and back. So they got the beadlocks in the back and the beadlocks in the front. Try and get in the picture there. Sorry guys, I'm actually filming this with my phone because I'm trying to keep it simple today. Just doing a simple video for y'all. Yeah, so that's the first real upgrade of the truck. What I also have gone and done, I'm going to switch the camera. So what I've done is I've moved the shock towers. So with these trucks, you can run, the way they're designed, you swap the shock towers. So you put the left on the right and the right, the right on the left, and then move it all the way forward. And then I've put the shocks all the way forward, and that really helps with just better flex. And I've swapped the rear springs to the front and the front springs to the rear. So that just gives my front end, I don't have as much, like, it's just a little softer and I got a lot more flex. It's not as bouncy as it was before. Basically just trying to do cheap upgrades for the truck right now. Nothing extravagant, as we'll say. I'm wearing my Proline hat. Yeah. Remember this hat? Yeah. My phone's having a hell of a time trying to keep up to the sunlight. I've also gone and ordered a new, well, it's new to me, but the old tacted servo. So I had it with the bomber. It was the one that was kind of had that shape. Kind of went down and then like that. It's a 3-channel. I could drive and film at the same time with that remote, and that's what I really need. It's really hard to do that with this remote, and I don't like the look of it. I'll keep it for a spare and never get rid of them, but something also might be wrong with that. I don't know. That or it's the ESC. My battery could be dead. That might be why. If it's cutting out like that, does that mean the battery's dead? Or is there something wrong? I'm gonna have to check that one out. Anyway, guys, the Deadbolt in general, stock, as you guys have seen, if you follow me on like Facebook or Instagram, I've posted some pictures of recent runs. Same general area that I'm always in, but like you saw in that video, it goes pretty well anywhere. Like, it has issues, like it's a smaller tire truck, so I have to work with it, because a lot of places I go, it's been with the bomber, so the R10 bomber, so that thing just goes anywhere. But just as an example, that front, in the first video I did with the Deadbolt, so 3 videos ago, 4 I guess now, at the beginning, it doesn't like the hill. That was that hill, and this truck will now do it with it glitching, and it works. So I'm pretty happy. The tires themselves and the rims put some weight at the bottom, and they've added the grip, so we're doing good. Again, thank you, Mike. I can't remember your last name, but Mike B. I'm gonna go with Mike B on this one. Sorry, dude. He's the one that sold me the tires, and he rarely used them, and gently used. So he sold me those. Hopefully he might be in a future video with some of his rigs. He's got some really cool stuff going on, so that'd be cool. But yeah, he gave me a good deal on these. $100 for the 4 with the rims, so fuck, I'm down with that. They're like 200 and something just to buy all that new. So very happy with that. And so big shout out to Mike B. Future videos, I will have your name proper. Or after the editing, I will put a little thing, like after this, be over there, or some after this. Might be like right here. Boop. Yeah, I don't know where it's going to be, but it might be there. Maybe not. Not too good at editing yet, after all these years. So yeah, big shout out to Mike. And but as for the SCX10.2 Deadbolt, stock, the thing goes anywhere, but I needed more traction. And I wanted some more, I did, free tune with the suspension. It's free. That's something you can do on your own. So, recommend doing that. The next video I'll post will be, hopefully a run video tomorrow. But I will be putting the links that I got from Amazon. I think they're like RC Lion or something like that. I think they might be cast aluminum or something, but they're metal links. They will work for now. It's a budget build as well as a build itself. So, trying to be on budget. See how, if these links, mosquitoes. If these links end up working well, I will definitely promote them, and you guys could, make use of things that are going to be easy on the wallet. But eventually we'll have, Vanquish or AXIAL links on or something good. But yeah, my week and a half review after running it stock, thumbs up. Aside from this glitching thing, but that might be the battery. I don't know. But anyway, I hope everyone has a great weekend. Thank you for tuning in. Like, comment, subscribe. You know the deal. Have a good weekend. Peace out.